Alright, Troop, Strong and Conditioned, live and direct from Glasgow, Scotland. So, I was driving in the car this morning and I was on the phone to my mum. And I love my mum to bits, but sometimes speaking to your mum gives you an insight into a different world. Or sometimes it gives you a moment of clarity where something that you've always thought to be the case is encapsulated. You grab onto the thought and you go, fuck, that's it, that's it. And that's what happened to me today. And the reason it happened to me was because it was fitness related. It was fitness related. Now, I was talking about, I haven't had a cold in months. I've not had a cold in months, and I'm quite susceptible to catching colds. However, over the last year, I have upped my vitamin D intake. Now, whether that is related to not having a cold, I don't fucking know, but the conversation was going along those lines. And I expressed to my mother that I think that by taking vitamin D regularly, I have stopped a cold from occurring or taking place. And my mum, to her credit, and she's trying to be helpful, she hit out with a thing that she had taken, or a supplement she has bought, and I don't even know the name of it. It's fucking I don't know, some trendy shit. And she said, oh, it's great, it's great. And I thought to myself, like, really? Like, the best approach is exercise and good food. That's it, that's it. There is no fucking supplement in the world, right? There is no supplement in the world that I personally have ever taken that has made me go, oh, I feel something different. I'm noticing some radical changes here. This isn't normal shit. Something's happening here. I have never taken a supplement in my entire fucking life and had that happen at any point. Never. Because they don't work, in my opinion. They don't work in the way you would like them to work. You don't know the impact that they're having on your body, and I just don't like that. I just think to myself, nah. We're trying to avoid the reality of the fact that the cure to this feeling like shit, the cure to just not feeling good about yourself is regular exercise and good diet. That is going to fucking cover so many bases. But no one wants to do it because it's not a hack. You can't hack fitness and you can't hack fucking nutrition, man. It's impossible. I mean, I'm coming from a place where if you cast your mind back to say round about the 2010s, there was a lot of content coming through, particularly in YouTube, and it was new, fresh content. And I kind of made a reference to this a couple of videos back when I spoke about how my muscle building was probably inhibited by the power building or the powerlifting boom of early 2010s, late 2000s, etc. And back then as well, there was a lot of information going around that was just fucking crazy, but you sucked it up, you took it because it sounded amazing at the time. I always remember one in particular, and it was Charles Poliquin, who I used to really enjoy reading his stuff. And he spoke about how this bodybuilder or athlete went over to the Dominican Republic, and by eating eggs from that country and avocados or some shit like that, he put on something like 4 pounds of lean mass over 28 days or 2 weeks, something crazy like that. Obviously it was bullshit. There's no fucking way that's happening. Regardless of what you're eating, you could be eating like fucking trenbolone for that case and that would not happen. However, you bought into it because it was new. It was like a novel idea, and it gave us some like idea with regards to, is there an easier way to achieve what we're looking for here? Building muscle, getting fit, and so forth. So back then, there was crazy shit. I would watch seminars with guys talking about how they were spraying magnesium oil in their body and their testosterone was shooting through the roof. I obviously went out and bought the magnesium oil, and I never noticed a fucking difference ever. I didn't go, fuck, my testosterone is starting to fly through the fucking roof here. What's going on? It was all bullshit. So the supplements that we look at, they're just a coping strategy. It's like, I know it works. I know if I put the hard fucking work in, I know if I fucking bust my arse and do the hard graft, I'm going to get what I want. But is there a way of making this easier? Is there a way of making this easier? And it's human nature to think that way because we're always looking to conserve energy, and that sort of trickles into other facets of the way our brain works. in terms of taking a situation and identifying it and deciding, is it worth the calories, all right? But the information back then was fucking crazy, but you bought into it. And it's still prevalent today because people want that, they want that moment, where everything just falls into place, and they want it to be as easy as fucking possible, man. So guys, if you're taking supplements, if you're like looking through things, if you're looking through the internet, whatever, just to get that extra kick, guys, it's fucking staring you right in the face, man. It's staring you right in the face. It's burpees, it's body weight circuits, it's weights, it's cardio, it's fucking rowing, it's training, it's going out for a long cycle, it's going for a big walk with a weighted vest or some shit like that. But guys, it's just hard graft. And there's no hard graft fucking popping a wee powder in your drink or eating some fucking avocado that's going to put on an extra 2 inches to your biceps. Anyway, guys, just food for thought in the fitness sphere. Thanks for staying strong and thanks for staying conditioned.